is Aistė Žemaitienė. I'm an official attorney in Lithuania, and my field of practice is the Lithuanian citizenship. You can probably know me from the previous videos we uploaded before, and in this particular video I'll talk more about the documents that help prove your ancestor indeed was a citizen of Lithuania, and that Citizenship Act of Lithuania mentions 5 groups of the documents that are considered like direct proof about the citizenship of Lithuania your ancestor had. First of all, we have to know one single date, which is extremely important for the citizenship and for Lithuania as well. It's the 15th of June 1940, when the Soviet occupation happened and Lithuania was occupied. So I'll mention this date in the video, and please note that it's extremely important one. So these 5 categories about direct proof of Lithuania are: first of all, internal and external passports of Lithuania issued to your mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, great-grandmother, great-grandfather till the 15th of June 1940. Second one are external passports of Lithuania issued after this Soviet occupation date at the embassies or consulates abroad, not in Lithuania. Group number 3 are birth certificates, but only if they include the citizenship your ancestor had. I'm usually asked, for instance, like, I have a birth certificate of my grandmother, is it enough to apply for the citizenship? Well, sometimes yes, sometimes no. As mentioned, it's considered as sufficient only if it has a section citizenship and citizenship of Lithuania is clearly mentioned. Group number 4 are those documents that prove that your ancestor served for Lithuanian armed forces or worked in Lithuanian public services. And group number 5 are the personal documents issued for the person till the 15th of June 1940, or personal documents issued later as based on those documents that were issued till the 15th of June 1940. So if you have any of these direct proof, it's extremely good, and direct proof basically means that if you have at least one of them, it's considered as enough to have your citizenship restored, and most likable, the chances are you will not be asked any additional documents about your ancestor. If you don't have these, it's not a problem. The Citizenship Act also mentions indirect proof. And indirect proof are like documents about your ancestor who lived in Lithuania, worked in Lithuania, attended school in Lithuania, attended university in Lithuania until the 15th of June 1940. Also, in some situations, foreign passports as well. So if you have several of those indirect proof, it's also very good. If you have one indirect proof document, it's still very advisable to apply for the citizenship. Still, you might be asked for something additional when your case is considered. How to get all those documents? Sometimes you can have those in your drawer. If you don't, there is also a possibility to have archival search done in Lithuania. We also help with such, and we can check Lithuanian state archives as well as Lithuanian regional archives and help you find documents that would be considered like direct or indirect proof about the ancestor who had citizenship of Lithuania. If there are no documents to be found, unfortunately, as Lithuania was occupied by Soviet Union, also many churches were destroyed during the Second World War. Sometimes we come into conclusion that the documents did not survive. But still, if you have anything like any bits from your country, and if you're sure that your ancestor indeed was a citizen of Lithuania, we can always go to the court in Lithuania and to ask the judge to evaluate those documents and to establish a judicial fact, and such opinion issued by the judge is obligatory for the officers in the immigration department. I have done numerous processes as this, and it's really an option. have any questions related to all I have just talked, please do not hesitate to ask the questions below. I would be happy to answer those. Also, if you want to see some more videos, you are welcome to subscribe, as we are going to upload more and more. If you need archival search done in Lithuania, please do not hesitate to contact me, and I would be happy to help. Also, if you don't have any documents, but you want to go forward, as mentioned, we can always have a search done in the archives. Also, we can go to the court and to ask the judge to submit his or her opinion. So there are many ways, and if you want to continue and to restore your bond with the homeland, you are more than welcome to do that, and I would be happy to help.